Okay, students, the last method of calculation for depreciation, we call it sum of the year digits method. The one and only formula that exists is this. Okay, when I read the question, you can see very clearly CRV 150,000, life expectancy of 5 years, a scrap value of 50,000. Prepare for the first 4 years the depreciation schedule. Okay, let me teach you how to do this. First step in order for me to do that is I need to calculate the total depreciation. Alright, so how do I calculate the total depreciation? We have done this just now when we did on straight line also. I will take the cost and I minus off with the scrap. So what was the cost? 150,000. The scrap is okay, tak dapat. I think tak dapat. Ini tak dapat.
Rasa you kena
Atas. I tulis atas.
atas.
Okay.
Lagi.
I start dengan total depreciation boleh kan?
Boleh.
Okay. Okay, now we calculate the total depreciation in order for me to get the depreciation for every year. So how do I get the total depreciation? I take the cost, which is 150,000, and I minus off with the scrap, which is 50,000. So when I minus this off, I get 100,000. This is the total depreciation that is going to be used, number 1. Okay, number 2, I'm going to calculate what we call as S using the formula where N is 5 here. You can see N is 5. So this is 5 bracket 5 plus 1 divided by 2. I take my calculator and I press, I get 15. So these are the first two things that you need to do. Total depreciation and the calculation of S. Then the next thing that I need to let you know is how do I calculate the depreciation for each year? The formula is N minus 1, N minus 2, N minus 3. So we know the N is 5. So for the first year, it will be 5 over 15 of the total depreciation we calculated. So the next year would be 4 over 15 of 100,000. The following year would be 3 over 15 of 100,000. And the next year is going to be 2 over 15 of 100,000. Okay, how do I get that? N, you know, is 5. 5 minus 1. 5 minus 2. And 5 minus 3. So that's how I calculate the depreciation for every year. Always start with the N first. Now the calculator part. So let's go. 5 over 15 times 100 times with 100,000. 33.333. Again, I repeat, no decimal. Now I go for the next one. I just change the value here to become 4. 26.667. You can see it's 666.66. So no decimal, 667. Next, I change this to become 3. 20,000. Next, I change this to become 2. 13,333. Okay. Accumulated as the normal, 33,000. Okay, next, I think you know, you take this and you plus. So I'm going to take 33,333 plus 26,667. You have 60,000. Next, plus. You have 80,000. Next, you plus. You have 19,333. Okay, this as usual, cost minus accumulated depreciation. Cost, what was the cost? 150,000 minus 33,333. So take my calculator. 150,000 minus 33,333. 116,667. Next, 150,000 minus 60,000. You can press the calculator. 90,000. Next, 150,000 minus 80,000. So you are going to get 70,000. Next, 150,000 minus 93,333. You are going to get 56,667. So this is how we calculate depreciation using the sum of the year digits number method and the schedule for it, right?